So you guys want to apply for a Barclays bank account by sitting at the comfort of your home? Well, you guys are at the right video because I'm going to be showing you how you guys can do that. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel once a step. First step, you want to search for open Barclays bank account and you want to click on the second option where it says open a bank account online. It'll take you to this website, so just scroll a bit down and click on how do I apply. And over here you want to choose if you want a solo account or joint. Click on whichever option you like. So I'm going to click on apply online over here because I want a joint account. Over here you need to fill this form up over here, so make sure you fill this form up correctly. After you fill this form up correctly by providing all the information like student, addition, action, or Barclays basic account, all this form, and then basically, and the next step is going to ask for some more information. So provide all the information Barclays asks you, because if you don't, you can't open an account. But basically this is the process. And just a reminder, you can only create joint account online. If you want to create a solo account, you need to download Barclays app and only apply for it. Alright, so just keep that in mind. So hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Bye bye.